Hey y'all, I'm the Jed. I want to do a quick video for you to talk about the new Sena 50S, and it's apparently Sena, even though I've been calling it Sena for like 2 years. I want to just do a demo for you of Hey Siri and Hello Sena and how great they seem to be working on the 50S. Couple of pointers for you in that regard before I show you how it works. One is if you're having trouble with using Siri on your iPhone through the 50S, or really any of the Sena units, you might try adjusting your Vox sensitivity in the settings of the Sena. I think it defaults to 3, and I think it's a scale of 1 to 5. I had some trouble on my 30K getting Siri to even respond. I changed that Vox sensitivity to 4, and it really seemed to help. And then on the Hello Sena side of things, try Sena instead of Sena. I was having trouble getting it to respond to Sena. I called the folks at Sena who told me try Sena, and that helped a lot. So I'm gonna take a break here, get my helmet on, and I'll be back with a quick demo.
Hey, it's Jed. I'm back, obviously in my helmet. I'm gonna turn on the Sena unit, and I've got both my voice and one of the helmet speakers mic'd, so hopefully you'll be able to hear both me and the unit. I will tell you, I've been having trouble distinguishing between commands that are intended for Siri and commands that are intended for the Sena unit. The command is similar. It's Hey Sena, and I'm looking to see if Siri just heard me. And it's Hey Siri. I don't want to say it out loud because the phone is, well, actually it's not paired, but it's close and it may hear me. I think the moral of the story is, for the most part, you don't really need the Sena commands. I would stick with Siri. If you need to activate a function on the Sena unit, I would suggest using one of the buttons and saving voice command for Siri. But let's do a little demo here and maybe you'll see what I'm talking about, or maybe it'll work. I'm going to turn the unit on and you should hear it turn on in my helmet.
Hello. Phone connected.
Okay, let's start with Siri. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's 70 degrees right now.
Okay, so that works pretty well. Let's try the Sena unit. Hey Sena, check battery. See, Siri thought I was talking to Siri. Let's just check to make sure I use the right command for Sena. I'm just going into the utility. Hey Sena, mesh on. Hey Sena, check battery.
Check battery. Battery level is high.
Okay, so look, she got 1 out of 3 of my commands. It may be I need to get better at it, but I would say the Hey Sena voice commands are harder to use. Siri seems to be getting me every time. So look, that's where things are now for me. I would say the Hey Sena commands are iffy, at least for me. Hey Siri works great. It's totally hands-free, and for most things, frankly, that's what I would be using on the bike. If I get better at this, or if I learn anything more about it, I will share it with you in a video. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate your support for the channel. Thanks. Bye.